installing some thin panel gauged porcelain tile. You need to see this. Okay, so this is the Flash Line Evo 3, also known as the Revolution 3-wheel drive. I'm going to show you what's inside and what it can do. If you're cutting gauged porcelain panel tiles, which come as big as 5 feet by 10 feet, or even bigger now. I think they actually make them 11 by 6, but they're very, very, very big tiles. And you need one of these tools to be able to cut them. And this one here actually has a new feature, and it's a revolution in this type of tool, which allows you to make your different choices very simply and quickly, so that you can suit the wheel of the cutter to the product that you're cutting. So let's take a look and see what's inside. Very nice case, compact, everything you need in one spot. So instructions, very short. The tool for snapping. This is where the magic is. Also comes with an oil blister. So these are 4 feet each. This tile I have here is 4 feet by 2 feet. So these are 4 feet each, so you got a track up to 12 feet. They snap together. I'm just going to show you one. And then it doesn't have any suction cups like some have the suction cups. These actually have a proprietary rubber material on the back here, so when you press down on it, it doesn't move. I'm pushing really hard, it doesn't move. So you can slide it like this, and once you press down on it, it doesn't move. Let's take a quick look at this product. So anyway, this is what makes all the difference. So as you can see, it has 3 wheels, one big, small, and larger. I forget what the dimensions are. They're on that little card. But depending on the finish of your tile, you will select the proper wheel. Generally, the smoother, the better the finish on the tile, like a high gloss tile, the smaller the wheel. As the tile gets rougher or is not as smooth a material, then you will increase the size of the wheel. But anyway, this is what makes it revolutionary, because you don't have to actually change the wheel. You have it right there on the tool right away to be able to select the correct wheel. So what you do is, now because this is an Italian tool, I'm going to use a euro, a €2 coin. So just loosen the screw up, spring loaded until it pops out. See how that's spring loaded till it pops out? And try not to drop the coin while you're doing that. So just lift, turn. Now this has an indentation where it locks in. So in the back here, as you can see, I don't know if you can see in the camera, you turn it and it drops down and locks in. So pick the wheel most appropriate for your tile. In this case, I'm going to use the smaller wheel, and then tighten it up. Again, using your €2 coin. If you don't have one of these, it's not going to work. Just kidding. So tighten it up, press down, tighten it up. And tighten it up, and you're ready to go. This is where all the magic is. Your rail has to be longer than the tile, because if you don't have it coming out the other side, it's just going to fall off. And the wheel is over here in this position here. So the rail has to be longer than your tile. Same thing on here. It's going to fall off. So we need the rail to be longer than the tile. So let's lock this in. Let's measure where we want it to be. About three. No clamping down, no suction cups. Press down. We're going to press down on this ball here. So press down, bring it back. Hear that scoring sound? You want to hear that? Do that a couple of times. Then press down firmly and go all the way across. Then bring it to the ends here. We're going to use our tool. So there's an arrow that's going to go directly on the score. Just bring it up snug. Gentle pressure. And that is cut. Just like that. Nice cut. Hold down. Push down. Back. Put it out of the way. Don't put it upside down. So this is how this works for the thickness of the tile.
Okay, so leave your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like and push the notification bell to be alerted of new videos. And that, of course, is if you subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
So these were thin gauge porcelain panels. So these are gauged porcelain panel tiles, and these come up to 5 foot by 10 foot they come up to. So you've got all the tools you need to be able to cut those. Okay, so there you have the Flash Line Evo 3 Revolution 3-wheel drive. Get the wheel you need on a single tool to get precise cuts. When you're done, pack it up. So in here, there's 3 compartments, one for each track. A compartment each. I'm just going to save these for now for the tools.